Welcome to Civics 101. I am Ms. Bowles, your teacher for this semester, and this is our course introduction video. I'm going to be telling you a little bit about myself, and I want to hear from you. If you've made it this far, then you're using our Edpuzzle app. You'll want to download this on your phone because we're going to be using it for the rest of the semester. You'll have lots of videos where you'll be responding using the Edpuzzle mobile app. And I do want you to send me an email or ask me in class if you are having any issues downloading the app, but I've provided a useful how-to video for you. Now, because we're going to be using it this semester, you will have to fill out the student contract and permission form to indicate that you understand how to be a good digital citizen and how to use your cell phone or other mobile personal learning device appropriately for our class. And you'll also be receiving a link in your email to a mobile learning survey. So if you can fill all those out for me, then we'll be good to start. Okay, so first of all, welcome to Civics 101. I want you now to answer me with your definition of what you think civics is. It's okay to Google. Just make sure that this is in your own words and you've really thought about what civics is. Okay, next question. What do you want to learn in this class? Let's go over what our student learning objectives are. Okay. So here are the student learning objectives. You will learn about citizenship and the responsibilities of American citizens. You'll understand the foundations of American political philosophy, coming back from England and understanding where the roots of our political philosophy comes from and various cultural influences that have changed it. We're going to do some fun activities regarding the historical significance and development of the Constitution and the language involved for those of you who love words. You'll understand how the Constitution secures the rights of the American people. We're actually going to look outside of the U.S. and compare with other nations and their perspective on rights and see how the U.S. really is a very individual case in the world of how we view citizens' rights. We're going to discuss the duties of the three branches of the American government: legislative, executive, and judicial, and you'll each have some fun activities involving that where we'll pretend to see if each of you was a member of those branches of government, what your roles would be, and we'll have an interactive exercise in class. Students will understand how elections work. We're going to have a mock election in our class, and you'll be participating in that using some of our mobile learning apps involving voting and delivering political campaign speeches. We'll use the Edpuzzle for you to submit a student project and actually peer review each other's work. And lastly, you'll learn the structure and function of local and state government. We're actually going to have a video conference with some local state officials, and they'll talk to you about what they do and how they got into government. You'll be able to ask them questions, and it'll be very exciting. So, all right, lastly, for this course introduction video, I want you to tell me about yourself. What are you interested to learn in this class? And let's see. Do you have any exposure with student government? Are you doing that as any extracurricular activities? And what are you most excited to learn about? So answer those questions now, and I'll see you in class.